Hello everybody, Bear McDonald here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is one of the craziest things. I have found a zombie bird in my trash can. So we are going to inspect this. Right, here we go. This is going to be weird. There's a zombie bird under here. Ah! Fucking weird. This is a zombie bird. Like, this fucking thing's been in here. It's one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. A zombie bird in a trash can. Like, what in the fuck is this thing doing here? It's like from Resident Evil, the Crows. Fucking A. Why is that thing in here? Let's scoot up.